morning. Apologies for being a little bit later than usual. Hey, I couldn't find my wallet this morning. Now, I eventually did, but here's a question. Does that mean, is that a sign that I'm getting old or that I'm just losing my mind? Which do you think it is? A little from column A, a little from column B, huh? Well, anyway, good morning, Tuesday. Hope everybody had a good Memorial Day weekend. Now we're back to the grind, huh? All right. Well, first of all, today's weather sponsored by A through Z, Builders Remodelers, LLC. Check them out on Facebook, AZ Builders and Remodelers, or you can give them a call, 518-948-1989. All right. Jody Sweet, good morning. Good. Glad to know the feed is working on Facebook. All right, here's what's happening for today. Starting off this morning with some areas of fog. You might have noticed that already. In some spots, that fog is pretty thick. It will be clearing out, though. Getting away to a pretty nice day. We're talking about mostly sunny skies, above normal temperatures. It's going to be a warm one. And you will feel more humidity today than you've felt recently. Dew points are going to be climbing today, and you'll notice the difference. Feels a bit muggy out there. That's one of the reasons some areas are seeing some fog this morning. Winds should stay relatively light through most of the day, north at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Again, we'll see lots of nice sun as we head through the day today, generally dry and pleasant. But yes, certainly warm. And yeah, a little bit humid. In fact, with that in mind, here's a look at what we're talking about with the dew points. Rita Donahue, good morning. Carla Libby, good morning. Thank you, Carla. I did have a nice time camping. Today's dew point rising into the low to mid 60s. You'll feel the difference. Not terrible, the humidity today, but certainly noticeable, climbing maybe around 62, 63. So into the 60s, feeling a bit sticky, muggy, a little bit humid, making the temperatures already in the mid 80s feel a little bit warmer. Might feel almost like 90 in spots. So you'll definitely notice it. Kevin O'Malley, good morning. Dottie Brown, good morning. Donna Allen, good morning. Sally Hogan, good morning. All right. What would be normal for this time of the year would be 73 degrees. We look to be probably more than 10 above that, getting to about 85, maybe 86. Normal low would be 51. Most of us are above that this morning, fairly mild temperatures overnight. 93, the record high, that's set back in 1931. 34, the record low, set back in 1956. Did register a trace yesterday in terms of precipitation in the early morning. Most of yesterday, though, turned out to be a decent day. Not a bad overall holiday weekend there. Sunday, not the greatest of days, kind of cool and rainy, but both Saturday and Memorial Day turned out to be decent. Okay, Daily Almanac, trace of rain. The record rainfall, look at that, 2.17 inches. That's it back in 1968. Not likely, though, that we see any rain as we head through the day today. Looks pretty good. All right, let's take a look outside. See what's happening on the webcams this morning, where we are seeing some fog here. This is the Mohawk River at Cohoes, where it's a bit of a foggy start. Yeah, seeing that fog in the very far distance there. This is from Cobleskill. Mostly sunny, though. Look at that beautiful blue sky, sunshine. Here's what Long Lake looks like, where it is also still a bit on the foggy side. Charlie Snyder, good morning. Michelle Lippy? Michelle Lippy. Glad I can still get my weather from you, Nick. Oh, well, thank you very much, Michelle. Appreciate that. Here's Long Lake. Here's Long Lake from above. Neat shot where you can see the fog here. A little bit of low cloud cover. John Allen, good morning. Here's what Plattekill looks like. Neat. Blue skies, that fog retreating, burning off there at the top of the mountain. Carol Shepard, good morning. Here's what Lake Placid looks like. Neat shot here. Look at that sun getting through the clouds. Beautiful. Top of Whiteface Mountain, there's not much to be seen. You can barely make out the summit. And finally, here is what North Adams, Mass looks like. Beautiful looking morning, and it really should shape up to be a very nice day. Peter Jones. Hey, bud. Hi, Peter. Good morning. Those are the webcams. Here's a look at the watches and warnings map. Nothing to see. No watches, no warnings, not even an advisory. Hey, here's one thing you might want to watch out for, though. Yeah, pollen counts remain quite high. I probably don't need to tell a lot of people that if you're like me. You've been noticing the high pollen counts, a lot of sniffling and sneezing the past few days. Better on Sunday with the rainy conditions, that helps to really lower the pollen counts, but they did start to rise again yesterday. And today we're talking about high, 10.2. The biggest pollen contributors right now being oak, hickory, and birch. Also, I think certain types of grasses. But anyway, it's certainly pretty bad, and it's going to stay high tomorrow. Again, in the high category at 10.4 in the allergy counts. This from pollen.com. So something to keep in mind, the pollen. Again, you may have already noticed that if you're like me. Temperature-wise this morning, it is a comfortable start, relatively mild, 60s already. In most spots, a few places are in the 50s. Right now in the capital region, it's low to mid-60s already. Very mild. Comfortable, but mild, and rising quickly out there. 66 in Schenectady right now. And that's not the warmest temperature to be found. There's some spots as you head towards Ulster County already close to 70. A few places still in the 50s, 56. A few 50s in the Green Mountains there. A few 50s in the Berkshires. But in general, it's mostly already low to mid-60s and rising. We'll blow through the 70s and again get into the 80s as we head through the day today. And with the humidity, today's probably going to feel more like the upper 80s, maybe even like 90 degrees at times when you're outside. Definitely beach weather for today. Finally, this is what the surface map shows us. High pressure starting to take over. This little weak frontal boundary slipping south of New York. And that's where the showers are generally going to be found, is to the south. High pressure takes over, clears us out, and continues to give us some nice sunshine today. Again, tomorrow looks mostly sunny. In fact, we've got a pretty nice looking start to this work week. Yesterday wasn't bad either. Today and tomorrow look pretty nice. So when will we be seeing our next chance for showers? Well, let's get back to the forecast. Today, tonight, and tomorrow. Today, 86 degrees, warm and a bit on the humid side. That 86 might feel more like the upper 80s or close to 90 at times today. With light winds, there's not going to be much of a breeze to help cool things off. You're going to need those box fans or air conditioners as we head through the day today. Fog clears this morning, giving way to an otherwise mostly sunny sky. Tonight, we keep it clear, comfortable, 56 overnight tonight, pretty good. Humidity starts to drop. And tomorrow won't be quite as hot or as humid, 82 degrees, which is still above average. Still a relatively warm day, still mostly sunny. Looks like a nice middle of the week, 82 for Wednesday. So here's the 7-day forecast. Thursday, temperatures come down a little bit. That looks like our next chance for scattered showers or maybe a thunderstorm. 74, while it is a big drop, is normal. That's a return to normal for this time of the year. Most of the week, though, does feature above normal temperatures. Friday, we're back in the low 80s, with again a chance for a scattered shower or maybe a thunderstorm there. It's Thursday, Friday, and maybe into Saturday, where it does look like we could see some scattered showers or storms. Saturday, 76. Sunday, though, right now looks mostly dry, 72, a little on the cloudy side, and similar conditions for Monday. Temperatures just a little below average for Monday, mostly cloudy, seasonable, and mostly dry. So, if you want to get outside, certainly today and tomorrow look like terrific opportunities. You don't have to work. If you've extended maybe the holiday weekend, yeah, that's an opportunity to get by the pool, maybe soak up some rays of sun, which we should be seeing plenty of both today and again tomorrow. Not bad at all. Hope you had a good holiday weekend. Welcome back. And thanks for joining me here on Facebook Live and YouTube this morning. Have a good start back to the work week, and I will see you tomorrow morning.